Welcome to all of you. Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss about a BigQuery. What is a BigQuery, why we need BigQuery, and how to store data in BigQuery. The lab name is Exploring BigQuery in Public Database. So please click on Start Lab. Be careful about this lab. If you attend any lab, write table name, dataset name as it is as per instruction. Otherwise, you can't able to clear all the test cases. For we need to log in using this credential. We need to log in our Google Cloud account. After this, we need to go in BigQuery. Click on Google Cloud Console. Please open this link in incognito mode. Otherwise, there is just some catch in memory. So that's why it making trouble. Please don't use your personal account. Use Quill Lab account only. Enter the email. Click on next button and copy paste your password. Click on I understand. Here you can see the console of Google Cloud. Select your region. Click on checkbox terms and condition. Agree and continue. Here you can see the our Google Cloud Console. Here they mention some services. Here you can see the our project name, project number, project ID, and etc. So there is a two way to find BigQuery. You can search here also. Otherwise, you can find BigQuery from here also. Click on more product. Here you can see in analytics part. Analytics part, there is a BigQuery. You can click here and open it BigQuery. Otherwise, you can search here BigQuery and open it. What is the first step of our this lab? In this lab, we need to find this table. Our table name is USA name. In this public data set, we need to find USA name data set. In this database, we have a USA 91102013 table. In this table, we need to write this query. You can see here this query. So let's do it. Here BigQuery. BigQuery is a data warehouse. You can see here there is a SQL workspace. So we in next video we go through each of topic and we explore them. In this video we are going to explore SQL workspace. You can see here the Explorer. Explore. If you click here, you can see the external connection also. So type your table name here and search and click on enter. You can see there is a one folder BigQuery public database. In big in BigQuery public database there is a one also USA name is the dataset. You can see there is a so many table in this USA name dataset. Click on first one. This is a schema of this table. You can see the state name is it a state name type is a string, gender is a string, year is also integer, name is string, and number is integer. So you can see the dataset details here. You can see the so many. If you want to see the table, click on preview and you can see the table of this USN names database. You can see the state is ALAR, KY, and etc. In gender name, there is a M and F. In here you can see the number type. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to type a query. So click on query and click on new tab. Copy this query from our Google Cloud exercise. Okay, this is a M3 SQL editor. Paste your SQL query here and click on run. You can see the result. This name has a gender male, and total is equal to this. What we need to do, our next task is we need to create a custom table. You can see the download this baby name dataset from our Google Cloud. What we need to do, we need to unzip this dataset after this, there is a one text file, YOB 2014.txt. So we take, you can see here the name.zip file contains so many text files. You can see here there are so many text files. So if project ID is a public big data, you cannot create a new dataset in this public dataset. So go to your main project. Yeah, in this main project, click on create dataset. So In general, Google Cloud, how you learn this thing? You can try and error so many things. You need to understand the concept. If you have a proper IAM permission, then and then are you able to create a database. Otherwise, you can't able to create a database. Keep thing as it is and click on create a dataset. Yeah, you can see here our dataset name is tab baby names. In this dataset, you need to click on three icon and click on create a table. You can see here though you can select so many things. You can import you can create empty table, you can upload it, you can import in Google Big Table, S3 bucket, blob storage, or Google Drive. Here we need to upload the file. Here you can see in the file format there are four file format support this big query. You can see here this thing. If you write this machine learning certificate examination, this thing is very minor thing, is very helpful to crack the exam. So you need to click on browse and upload a respective file. I think our file name is 2014. Click on name.dataset. Here you need to find 2014. Yeah, yob 2014.txt, and file format is CSV. Please change it into CSV file. CSV full form is comma separated value file, and keep name as it is. And what is our dataset name? Our dataset name is, sorry, our table name is names underscore 2014. Give name as it is. This is a empty table. So if you, okay, here we need to click on auto detect schema, or we can give a schema as well. You can see the what is the our schema. So click on edit schema, edit as a text, and paste it here. Our dataset contain two value. First one is the name column, gender column, and count. Here you can see the name is data type is string, gender data type is string, and count data type is integer. Yeah, no need to worry about the other things. Click on create table. What is the next step? We need to uh, extract male people from the baby.name dataset. Then order by descending order. So write this query in BigQuery. Let's write this query in BigQuery. You can erase this query, otherwise you can open another query editor. Click on run button. Yeah, you can see here there are five. We we can show top five count. So you can see the name and count. And if you want to save this query, click on save, and save view means if you run again and again this query, so there is a no need to waste our resources. So here I give name as a big query, big QQ. Save it is. If you close this tab and otherwise you can reopen it. Our in this saved query you can see that this saved query section. Here you can see the star mark. Star mark means unsaved query editor. Okay, thank you so much. In this video, what we learned today. We we go through how to create a data set, how to create a table, and how to run a query in our BigQuery editor. Hope are you guys learn very well. Thank you so much. Have a great day.